Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Clearpay. So first of all, I want to say something that's very important and may cause a confusion among all users. Clearpay is also named Afterpay, so both are correct. Both are the same logo, both are the same application, both are the same website. It's this basically the same thing. So first of all, you're going to download it from the App Store and then you're going to launch it. Here you will launch it, wait for it to load, and welcome. I've already made my account. You can go once you launch it, it'll ask you for your account. You'll need a US number or a Canadian number, your name, and your billing info and your credit card slash debit card. Depends on what you're going to use. So first of all, you'll have all popular brands here on your main page. So shop in Afterpay app, and you'll see Nike, Fanatics, Macy's, Coach, Spanx, Our Place, Columbia, and so on. All of these brands. You'll get back here. We're going to get through how to order something online using Afterpay after a while. I'm just going through the tabs. Here you're going to see the Get Inspired tab, okay? Vivid Seats, concerts are calling, so you can also buy tickets using the Afterpay tab. So here's shop by category. So we have, you can buy travel tickets, men's shoes, fragrance, women sports, pets, men shoes, designer, furniture, women's clothing, marketplaces. So almost everything in the online shopping market you can buy. Adult, tech, food, skincare, experiences, fashion, and so on. Here, yep. And you'll find in the store tab. In the store tab is tap and pay in store with the Afterpay card. So they will give you something like an Afterpay card. So it's like a debit card that's prepaid. So shop in store with the Afterpay card today, then pay it off in 4 always interest free. So 4 days. So how's that work? You'll have an account on your mobile number. It's not a physical card. No, it's a virtual card on your Apple Pay, or you can use the app. You'll have a certain balance, for example $500. I will go buy something for $100. You'll have $400 on your account, but it won't so this is virtual money, but it won't like take this money out of your main bank account unless after 4 days, and it's actually interest free. So it's basically on virtual credit card. Okay, you'll click here and get started and see the in-store tabs and continue, and you will put in your identity. Okay, all of that is fake info, by the way. So let's get back, and we'll have here $600. Okay, so set up the Afterpay card later on. You can do that if you want. So let's tell you how to buy something. For example, we're going to choose any of those web stores down there. So for example, let's choose Colombia, and it will open an embedded web browser into the Clearpay app or slash Afterpay app. It will load you here. Men's, kids, accessories. So here they buy clothing materials, keys, so sports, and so on. So for example, I'll choose hiking, and I'll choose these hiking shoes, for example. They are $120, okay, and you'll choose your size and so on, and then add to bag or add to your cart, depends on the web store that you're going through. So you'll view bag. Yeah, I want that thing, so I'll check out. You can check out using the Apple Pay, the PayPal. You can, I guess, check out whatever you want, enter your credit card, debit card, but that will be in the web store. After that, you will be connected to the Afterpay. It will like take out some money from your Afterpay balance, and after that, it won't be deducted from your base credit card or base like debit card. So you will pay later on after if you want. So get check out, and you'll enter your email and so on, the delivery. So enter first, last name, address, city, and so on. Okay, yep. So that's it with the website. Let's, for example, show you another website so we can be like get the concept itself. Fanatics, for example, and choose the NFL. Yeah, let's choose anything. So yeah, NFLPE. We'll choose, for example, that things, slides, crocs, whatever you call them. You'll add them to your choose your size and add to the cart. So price locked in, yeah, that's that's in the website itself. It's added. So let's check out. First name, last name, and so on, and Apple Pay or PayPal. All of these will be returned to and deducted from your Afterpay account, and will be returned to your account so you can take the money out later on if you want. So let's get back here. Yep. And that's almost everything with the Afterpay/Clearpay app. You can click here on my Afterpay. You'll have here on the orders, you'll have how much you've paid. So no, total you owe. So how much you've paid using the Afterpay app, and how much will be deducted later in. So due in 15 days on your bank account, it's going to be taken from your bank account, 30 days, 60 days, and so on. Favorites, things that you put on favorites here. The promotions, so you can have a promotion code and you'll come and enter it here. And the help tab, so frequently ask questions, or you can connect to customer service. Profile details, you'll have all details here. So these are fake things. In the settings, you'll have the payment settings. So set up Apple Pay or add payment method, where you put your card number and so on. The login, so you can log in using Face ID or PIN. Excuse me. Afterpay in store offer settings, so it will show you like promo codes, vouchers and coupons and so on. And that's it for Afterpay. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel if you like the video. Thank you.